Hello! How are you doing today? Oh, nice! So, are you ready for another little story? Oh, great! Let's go! So, this is a story about a little girl called Veda. What's your name? Ah, that is a lovely name. And how old are you? Oh, Veda is as old as you. How wonderful! One day, Veda woke up excited for a picnic with her friends. She rushed to the window, only to see heavy rain pouring down. There were puddles everywhere, and the sky looked gray. How do you feel when you want to go outside, but you can't? Happy or sad? Yes, Veda was very sad too. She wanted to have fun, but it was raining. Daddy saw her sad. Well, Veda, he said, we can still have a lot of fun. But we are stuck at home, Daddy, said Veda. Oh, you can have a lot of fun even indoors, he said. How, Daddy? Asked Veda. I'll show you, Veda, said Daddy. Then Daddy got an old newspaper. Next, he cut a piece and folded it. Veda kept looking at him. Another fold, and yet another fold, and some more folds. Can you guess what Daddy was making? Oh, yes! Daddy had made a paper plane. Veda was thrilled to see it. Then he made another one. Now, he said, we are going to fly up planes, Veda. Do you like flying paper planes? Oh, yes. They are a lot of fun. The planes went up and down and left and right. Veda had a great time flying her plane. This is fun, she said happily. I told you, said Daddy. And then Dadi came into the room. Veda, she asked, do you want to have some more fun? Yes, Dadi, but how? Asked Veda. I'll show you, Veda, said Dadi. Dadi then got a piece of paper. Next, she cut a piece and folded it. Veda kept looking at her. Another fold, and yet another fold, and some pen marks. Can you guess what Dadi was making? Oh, yes! Dadi had made a paper caterpillar. Veda was thrilled to see it. Then Dadi made another one. Now, she said, we are going to race our caterpillars. Do you like racing paper caterpillars? Oh, yes. They are a lot of fun. Dadi took a straw and blew into it, and her caterpillar moved. Veda did the same. The caterpillars were racing. Veda had a great time with her caterpillar. This is fun, she said happily. I told you so, said Dadi. Daddy, Will you teach me how to make a paper plane? Asked Veda. Of course, Veda, said Daddy. Let's do it on the next rainy day. Oh yes, said Veda. It will be a lot of fun. Dadi, will you teach me how to make a paper caterpillar? Asked Veda. Of course, Veda, said Dadi. Let us do it on the next rainy day. Oh yes, said Veda. It will be fun. And Veda waited for it to rain again. Rain doesn't mean you cannot have fun. You can have a lot of fun just like Veda did. So the next time it rains, get your paper planes and your paper caterpillars ready and enjoy yourselves. That is it for today's adventures. We will see you again with another little story. Until then, have fun. Bye-bye.